Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, everybody, on a Monday night here, getting ready to wrap up the month tomorrow, 31st. Got a short month coming up and likely a warm one as we continue with these near record temperatures. That's not going to be any different this week. Highs once again in the mid and upper 80s. Next, radar network, not finding much. We still have this flow coming out of the southeast that's going to keep us warm and also humid as well. The humidity is creeping up and the combination is going to make it feel a bit uncomfortable. By the way, got to talk about this. If you are traveling or trying to get towards Dallas, a huge connecting hub for us and heading up towards the Midwest. This is going to be a paralyzing ice storm for a good chunk of the south and into Texas here, so keep that in mind. We are clear across the southeast because of that same high I just showed you. All that weather is going to stay to our west. Eventually, it will arrive in the form of a cold front. It's going to take all week to happen, and it won't get here until late Friday and into Saturday. So until then, we're going to stay like we were today, and each and every day we'll add a degree or so to get us into that record territory. I think we're going to be game for that heading into Wednesday. Could tie or break the record, and then on Thursday and Friday will be rather warm as well. Weekend cool down, that's coming on Saturday, but it's coming with some rainfall as the front approaches. So we'll have to tweak that forecast. The models are a little all over the place right now. Got to hold on to the 40% rain chance I'll show you in the 7-day, but may have to bump that up, unfortunately, into the weekend. There are the next 3 days, benign weather. I mean, this is just about as warm and quiet as it gets. Seas are not going to be a problem. Boating conditions not going to be a problem. And you see a couple little spits and spats here as far as the showers that will be embedded in that very persistent flow out of the southeast. So we're not going to have much in the way of any action for us here until we get to Saturday and that front arrival. Atlantic waters looking at east-southeast winds will be at 10 knots, light chop. And here are the Florida Keys. No alerts. Not expecting any caution or advisory, certainly, as things have calmed down after we had some gusty winds over the weekend. Watford seas, Gulf side, the straits are going to be 2 to 4, and nearshore waters there with a light chop, with temperatures by the afternoon right around 82 to 84. That'll be our range for tomorrow once again. 10%, that's it, if that, with those little showers I showed you coming in out of the southeast. We're going to stay dry on Wednesday. That's going to be our next record potential day. And then on Thursday, we'll stay rather warm. The record for Thursday is rather high, so I don't think we'll reach it. But we will, I think, on Friday, record 85, forecasting 86, with a little more moisture as the front approaches. I think about a 20% shot of some showers. And look at the weekend, though, 40% coverage coming up with a lot of cloud cover for Sunday. And temperatures dive, highs only into the 70s. And then we climb back out of that in the low 80s beginning Sunday and into next week.